1. At the moment, the original 1978 Toyota Corona sedan is on sale for just $5,555. This car is equipped with a Toyota 20R engine and a 5-speed manual transmission. Many upgrades have made this car practically new. A new fuel filter, carburetor, exhaust gas recirculation system was removed. A new battery was installed, new posts were installed, the sealing ring of the exhaust system and valve cover was replaced. New candles and wires were installed. A new electronic ignition system was installed instead of the traditional distributor with a board. Ball bearings, stabilizers and stabilizer levers have also been replaced. The new gimbal transmission, shock absorbers, and the adjusting effect ensure that this car not only retains its originality, but is also ready for carefree trips, while providing a pleasant driving experience. Do not miss your chance to become the owner of a unique 1978 Toyota Corona sedan, which has not only retained its original character, but has also undergone a number of updates to be in excellent working shape. 2. You have a unique opportunity to become the owner of a 1964 Ford Falcon Futura, which is currently on sale for just $10,500. This car with a mileage of 64,000 miles is equipped with an automatic transmission and has a red exterior and interior. This Ford Falcon Futura is a real collector's item, the original factory 8-cylinder 260 V8 engine. The car has been stored indoors for the last 30 years, which guarantees its safety. It also has a clean title and is a black plate car, in other words, a car with black license plates, which may indicate its antiquity. This car is a beautiful model with minimal changes over the years of operation. New bumpers are also provided, and a number of engine maintenance works have been performed. Impressive storage history, safety, and well-groomed make this car an excellent option for true connoisseurs of classic cars. 3. We present you a rare 1970 GMC Suburban 2500, which is currently available for purchase for just $11,000. This car, admired by collectors, can now become your faithful companion. The original title confirms the authenticity of the history of this car, and you become the third lucky owner. The inner space of Suburban is decorated with an original green interior, creating an atmosphere where style and nostalgia are harmoniously combined. Although the driver's seat requires a tightening, this is a great opportunity to give it its own unique look. Automatic transmission, 78187, mileage and reliable start make this car an excellent choice. Despite the need to replace the brakes, this is a small flaw that can be easily eliminated. The GMC Suburban is not just a car. It's a great combination of style, history, and practicality. 4. A delightful 1977 Oldsmobile Tornado Bro is on sale, and now it can be yours for $10,000. This magnificent car with a mileage of 46,000 miles is a true masterpiece combining luxury and reliability. The snow-white exterior combined with the red interior creates a magnificent contrast and gives this Tornado Bro a unique style. It is perfectly preserved, and its condition leaves only positive impressions. This car has become the winner of many automobile exhibitions, which emphasizes its special status and attractiveness for collectors. From the moment of purchase to the present, he has been carefully cared for and maintained in excellent shape. If you dream of a stylish and reliable car that attracts admiring glances, this Oldsmobile Tornado Bro is your ideal choice. Contact the owner to find out more and arrange a viewing of this unique machine. 5. A 1969 Cadillac DeVille with an attractive price of $9,750 is for sale. The vehicle is currently in excellent technical condition. 234.567 miles have been covered. The automatic transmission, exterior and interior are made in green tones, which adds a special charm to this car. I want to draw attention to the honesty of the seller, who admits some of the features of this car. However, despite this, the car remains a reliable daily vehicle ready. Special attention is paid to the interior, which is undoubtedly a key advantage. The seller has also started to fix some problems, such as cracks on the dashboard, which makes this vehicle even more attractive. The price of $9,750 provides a unique opportunity to purchase this classic car with a character that can be restored and customized to suit your needs. The seller is also considering the possibility of exchanging for a more practical car for daily use. 6. For sale is a 1963 Chevrolet Corvair with a price of $6,700. This M sedan is equipped with a 102 horsepower engine and a 4-speed transmission. The engine was probably restored in the 80s, and as indicated, the trunk body has a different color due to damage, and the car was also repainted during that period and may need to be repainted. Recently, updates have been carried out, including new shock absorbers and springs, new brakes, improvements in the braking system. It is possible that the drums were processed incorrectly, new steering rods, and the brake system tubes and hoses were replaced. Work was carried out to replace the bearings of the front and rear wheels. In addition, the Holley Sniper EFI fuel injection system is installed, as well as a modern vintage air conditioner. The conversion to the generator was made. Most of the metal parts of the engine were covered with powder paint. This 1963 Chevrolet Corvair is a unique opportunity to purchase a retro car with modern improvements and attention to detail. 7. At the moment, the Pontiac Grand Prix Brougham of 1983 is on sale at a price of $5,000. This car, with a mileage of 105,000 miles, is equipped with an automatic transmission and has a clean title. This car has no significant damage or problems, which makes it attractive to potential buyers. The owner emphasizes that the car functions perfectly, has reliable movement, and is equipped with a full-fledged sound system, which makes it an ideal option for everyday use. However, it is worth noting that the exhaust system of the car requires attention. In preparation for the sale, significant upgrades have already been carried out, including a new front end, radiator, gas tank with a level sensor, carburetor, distributor, belts, and spark plug wires. In addition, new tires have been installed. The 1983 Pontiac Grand Prix Brougham is a great choice for those looking for an affordable and reliable car. 8. Currently available for sale is a 1977 Lincoln Continental Sedan 4D, priced at $3,500. The car with a mileage of 69,819 miles is equipped with an automatic transmission and has a clean title. This car, which has two previous owners, is in assembled and paid condition. The exterior and interior of the car are made in red. The drive is carried out using gasoline. The car was taken care of, as confirmed by the clean title, the absence of significant damage and problems. The owner notes that the car has 4 new tires, a new battery, and 80% of all systems are functioning properly. However, for full operation, it is necessary to replace the fuel tank and radiator. This car is a great choice for those who are looking for a stylish and classic car with the potential for restoration. 9. Currently on sale, there is an Oldsmobile Cutlass Sedan of 1980 with a price of $9,500. The car, which has traveled 1,2,345 miles, is equipped with a 5-liter V8 engine and is a Cutlass Supreme Brougham model. This Oldsmobile Cutlass has demonstrated reliable performance and good handling during a test drive. The exterior retains its stylish appeal, and a set of wheels and tires give it an additional character. The car demonstrates overall cleanliness and requires minimal maintenance. This is a great offer for those who are looking for a reliable and distinctive car with a classic design and a V8 engine capable of providing good performance. 10. Currently on sale is a 1965 Ford Mustang, which costs $8,500. This Mustang Coupe has a mileage of 40,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. The outer color is red, the inner color is black. The car works and moves perfectly, but requires bodywork and painting. The top has been replaced with a fastback-like style to match the appearance of the Shelby 350 clone. The car is equipped with a V8 engine with a volume of 289 cubic inches. The car also received a complete new fuel system, including a new gas tank. Although the owner replaced the fuel level sensor and float when replacing the system, the fuel level indicator does not work. A new paintless wiring was also installed from the front headlights to the taillights and everything in between. The car has a clean title, and according to the seller, has no significant damage or problems. 11. At the moment, the 1985 Toyota Celica GTS Liftback is on sale at a price of $8,000. This car with a manual transmission has a mileage of 161,000 miles. The outer color is white, the inner color is brown. The car has a clean title and has no significant damage or problems. This Toyota Celica GTS Liftback was a reliable vehicle and was used daily until recently. The absence of rust and excellent patency make it an attractive option. You may need a new battery soon. The seller decided to sell the car in order to concentrate on other projects with cars.